before that I like to duck Jeeps while I'm out with these little rubber ducks, right? So I was able to find and locate a duck landing pad. So now this right here will just affix to the side of the mirror on my Jeep. Take a duck. Well, I won't take the duck. If anybody wants to duck my Jeep, they can take a duck and stick it on the landing pad, and I'll see it when I get into the vehicle. This actually affixes right there to your side mirrors. Has a nice little bolt to it, and it does have instructions about if you've been ducked. And this is a really nice addition to your Jeep. And I will have a link in the description as where you can get your own duck landing pad, so you can be ducked too.